Oh, it's you. I know I should have never let you play in public. Trouble is, you're playing the violin with your hands instead of with your ears. There's an alley where the acoustics are perfect. And besides, I won't be able to hear him. Mr. Dibble, let me have the Firehouse official business. Hello? Is that you, Choo-Choo? Well, get a hold of the other guys and we'll have a meeting. Where? Why, right here in the alley, of course. Oops. Yeah, Choo-Choo, we better make that in the cellar of Schultz's Delicatessen, okay? Yeah, I gotta hang up now. Someone else is waiting to use the phone. Well, if it isn't Officer Dribble again.